And now, at this moment, may I call on stage Mr. and Mrs. Mirando for welcome.
Big hands for Mr. and Miss Mirando.
Let's go for this is it. Let's embrace the night.
Mga kasamahan ni Joanna, thank you for coming. Enjoy lang kayo.
Ito na yung partner ko?
Ito ka na naman.
Ito na naman ulit.
Alright, thank you so much po. Thank you so much. So, to present the circle of important persons in life, let us all welcome the following persons who will share their wishes and offer gifts for the debutant. And of course, these people will be the ones who will guide and support her along the way. So let us now have the 18th treasures and candles.
The 18th treasure and candle signify the important people in the world's life who will guide in line of the way, the right path. These people are ones who will give her hope, light in the darkness of life. So let's start with Mr. RJ Mila.
Sunuring anak.
Tagal na ba?
Happy birthday.
Alright, so I guess ready natin yung mga 18 roses natin. Ready na ba tayo dyan, guys? The 18 roses signify 18 very special gentlemen in the life of the debutant, like her friends, relatives, brothers, special someone, and of course, the most important man in her life, which is her father. So to begin with, let us call all our handsome gentlemen to gather on the side for the smooth flow of the program. As your name is called, is it your chance to offer a flower and to dance with the debutant. So the first dance goes to... Alright, again, the first dance goes to Dustin Cosico.
Kasi invitation sa mga nag-cutting, let's call again Mr. Harold Preston.
Ayun. Ako naman after
Parang gusto mo rin. Parang gusto mo rin.
Ako naman.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Harold Preston. Next up, Mr.